is. They kind of look the same.
Let them. They're sniffing each other. Good girl, Hannah. Good girl. Game on.
All right, Hannah.
Game on. She's still got a little puppy in her. We rescued her when she was 12 weeks. So we've had her a while. Yeah. Don't dig loose. No. I know. You don't want to start that. I know it's so hard. Boys, maybe if you take the walk around the outer edge too, they'll come along. Yep. There we go. Look, man. They're interested in following you. This is good. Let's get her hand up.
Mine's a little ADD. It's hard to keep her focused. So.
That's exciting. That's Hannah's best buddy is just like that. She never, ever sleeps. You want him to play. Go get her, Hanna. Go get her. Say, come get me. Come get me, girl. Come get me.
She wants to play so bad.
Come get me.
Oh, Steve on. Told you mine can't focus. Anybody? Oh, but now.
She can handle 3. Joy stops. Good girl. Go get it.
He'll take the bait, trust me.
Awesome.
My dog's
That's my girlfriend has a 2-year-old boxer mix.
Oh, yeah.
I've never seen such an energetic dog, and they go to the park for 2
Hannah,
hours.
did you get kicked in the face?
Ridiculous. And then the dog
station, aren't they? It's a little one-sided. Yep. Probably need water, but you won't go to the fountain, I know. You're late. Huh?
She's been like this for last.
Forward to tomorrow.
I am. I think I'll
Hello.
spend most of that day near the water.
Hello.
On Saturday and Sunday.
Hello. Whoa. Hello. Hello, Hannah.
Crawl.
Got the tail on your face.
You crawling?